In this demo, we're going to take a look at how IBM Cognos TM1 can be used to transform insurance premium planning using its powerful in-memory calculation engine to model insurance policy profitability based on simple user inputs. We'll start off by using TM1 Web to look at a monthly underwriting profitability report. We've got a section at the top showing earned premium and cancellations for new policies, along with a section showing renewals revenue. Costs and interest below give us gross margin. We've also got KPIs and a graph below showing 3 years of data. Because this is a TM1 Cube-based model, we can analyze the profitability in more detail by selecting different combinations of policy and channel, and look at different years of data. We can also change the measures displayed on the graph, as well as the time frame shown. As you can see, our model extends many years into the future. The annual results show 10 years of modeled data. Let's look at an individual policy and channel. In this case, TM1 is automatically modeling the profitability of the policy using some simple assumptions and inputs, all controlled by end users. Let's look at the inputs for this policy. At the bottom of this screen, we have the number of policies we expect to sell in each month. Here, we can see that the home buildings policy is a new policy for this channel, and we can see that the policy sales data has been entered to reflect a ramp-up period at the start, along with a tailing off period before we finally decide to stop selling the policy. At the top, we have some assumptions about the policy: start year, average premium, term, some assigned cancellation profiles, as well as drivers for cancellations, price increase, and costs. The cancellation profiles are shown on the right-hand side for reference. TM1 takes these inputs and calculates in real time the profitability of the policy going into the future. For example, if we change the claims percentage, we can see that this is immediately reflected in the calculated values in the monthly and annual report. Let's have a quick look behind the scenes at what TM1 is doing. We can see in the Cube Viewer the insurance triangles many of you will recognize, in this case for earned premium. TM1 can quickly do these calculations on a central server for all combinations of channel and policy. Now, let's look at how we can create a new policy from scratch. This is the form to create a brand new policy. All we have to do is enter some details and press the button, and a new policy is created. First, you can see that there is no data for this policy. Let's put in some assumptions for the telephony channel. Now let's put in some policy sales. We'll start off with 500 in March. If we look at the monthly report, we can now see that TM1 has automatically calculated all of the earned and unearned premium, the renewals, all of the costs, and the KPIs for the 500 policies sold in March. In the cube view, we can see the policy running down the diagonal. Let's populate more of the sales plan. We'll use data spreading to reflect a ramp-up period. Then we'll assume consistent sales for the remaining periods. We can now see the full profitability results on the report. Hopefully, this gives you a good idea of how the power and flexibility of TM1 can be used to streamline insurance planning. Thanks for watching.